Whether you're someone that loves or hates Magsafe, Magsafe is still very useful. And there are currently rumors going around for the next iPhone to include Magsafe 3. Now yes, Apple's really well known when it comes to Magsafe charging, whether it's through Magsafe on phone or Magsafe 3 that is found on MacBook devices. And they both have a unique way to actually use them. Of course, people love Magsafe on Mac devices because, well, it has security when it comes to charging and is very hard to take the cable out, especially if someone's trying to steal your MacBook or you accidentally drop your MacBook and it gets caught by the cable. That is one of the most well-known reasons why people love Magsafe. And then of course, when it comes to Magsafe on phones, currently is via wireless charging, which, yes, some people hate it because it doesn't charge as fast as most devices on the market, but it still works really well. But that is where this one big rumor came out, is that, well, technically this rumor originally started back with the iPhone 17 Pro, where people originally thought that Magsafe 3 would be coming to an iPhone. Now right now, it's currently being heavily stated that the next iPhone, which is going to be the iPhone 18, will actually include Magsafe 3, which there is one big catch of why those will actually not work. One big thing is, it can only do one thing. Now yes, that is the reason why this will actually not work for an iPhone, because the Magsafe 3 is only designed for power, not to transfer data from your phone to another device. And that is where Apple actually mostly markets their phones. Is that, well, if you look at any iPhone ad with either the standard iPhone or even the iPhone Pro, on how easy it is to actually easily transfer your photos or videos straight from your phone to a MacBook device or even a PC system. Which is currently one of the big selling points when it comes to an iPhone Pro option, is that you can shoot long videos without having to worry about your storage being taken up, because it can transfer that footage straight to an external SSD. Now, if you bring in Magsafe 3, they'll basically take that big option away straight from these iPhones. Now, don't get me wrong, Magsafe 3 on an iPhone would definitely be a nice plus to have, because one, good charging. Second, it'll be a lot safer for if you're wanting to charge your phone on the go and someone tries to take your phone, or you drop your phone by accident and gets caught by the cable. That will be a big plus to actually have. But again, that one big thing that makes it hard for Magsafe 3 to be on a phone is something I don't think Apple will actually compromise on at all anytime soon. Now currently what I'm saying is it's not possible just yet, but I think if Apple actually makes something like a Magsafe 4, where you can actually transfer data straight from the cable with that Magsafe cable, then we could definitely maybe see this. But at the current time of recording, we only have Magsafe 3 that can do power. But otherwise, do let me know in the comments. Do you think Apple would actually bring Magsafe 3 to an iPhone? Or do you think they'll stick straight to the USB-C until further notice? But otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, and have a great day onwards.